Today we're going to learn about relations. More importantly, how to represent relations. So we're going to talk about coordinate systems and mapping. Here we have a coordinate system where we have an x-axis and a y-axis, x being on the horizontal and y being on the vertical. The origin is located here at 0, 0. Traversing along the x-axis changes the first value, while traversing across the y-axis changes the second value. For example, if we were to place a point here, this location would be 2, 0, as we have moved 2 to the right on the x-axis and 0 on the y-axis. So it's important to note that for points, this is the x and this is the y. This is called an ordered pair. Now, mapping illustrates how each element of the domain is paired with each element of the range. What does this mean? Well, we have the domain. Let's say this is the domain, and this is the range. And we have a bunch of values like 2, -1, 3, 4, and we have 3, 0, and 2. And now, let's draw arrows connecting these values. In this case, the domain would be the x value, so this would be the domain, and the y would be the range. In fact, these are ordered pairs, and we can represent them as, for example, 2 is mapped to 3, so we would have 2, 3, -1 to 0, 3 to 2, and 4 to 2. So now let's plot this on our graph. And let's label them with characters so that we can differentiate them. So this would be A. B is -1, 0. Again, the first value is the x, so -1 would be 1 to the left, and 0 would be here. So this would be B. 3, 2 would be 3 steps to the right and 2 up, so this is C. And 4, 2 would be 4 to the right and 2 up as well, so D would be there. So this is where all our points lie.